We're going to take that W edge where we have that dimple in the middle, and you're going to place it so that your jawbone sits right in that dimple. Then you're going to take your hand and brace and slide along that jawline. Just use your opposite hand to help support the skin. You should have plenty of slip here so that you're not pulling. And you should end right in the back of the jaw near the earlobe. You can give that a wiggle. This little group of three movements that I just went through, really, really good for double chin, for jowls, for people who feel like they have a very puffy or saggy jawline. Beautiful. And you can already see some of that definition. Of course, with time, that will become even more pronounced.